Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. In last class, we discussed the part it is the retainer. Today, we are going to discuss it is the arm part. You can see the arm part is the front view and the section view is given. So in the section view, you can see this. There is a 162.5. It is a depth, but circle dimension is different, and there is a one. It is a rod only, the connecting shaft. So for that one, so what I will do first, I will take the plane. Okay, I'll draw this two circle and make it extrude in on both sides. And after that, using the command where I'll take the middle plane and I'll make it is in a extrude, so that 25 mm depth will be over here. Okay, so I'll start from it is a from the top view. So new plane, so new sketch, save. The name is arm. Tool is change the design unit, millimeter, close. So started is a new sketch. The two circle I will draw it over here. So first circle dimension is 28.15 and 112. So 28.15 is a given, it is radius. The next one is 102.5. Next another, it is 43.8. The dimension is from this point to up to here, it is 300. The next one is, it is 87.5. Finish the sketch, and the height is 60.5, and make it a both sides it is extrude. This one and this one, both sides, and distance is 62.5. Finish the sketch now. Now I'll take the plane. Okay, now it's very important. I'll take it in half section. From it is I'll take the sketch view. You can see that the plane is completely, it is a half over here, because this diagram is in a half section. Okay, so I will draw this plane. For that one, I'll go to the view command and the wireframe and highlight all the outer surface. I have to highlight this one. Next, I will draw a tangent line. Okay, there are two tangent line over here. So first, this is my circle. And another circle using the tangent line. Okay, so there is a tangent line, and you have to make it that this is a tangent properly. Now unwanted will be deleted. This is unwanted. I'm going to, only this part I required. You can see this, only that part is required. So I will do it over here. I extrude in both sides. Okay, you can see this, extrude in both sides, and the distance is 25. Okay, so now this is my object is over. Next, there is a key. You can see this one. Okay. The size is given 12.6 and the height is 35. Okay. So for that one, I select the plane. So this is my plane. Take the by the next one. It is a 13.5. 13.5 from the distance is from this point to over here is 13.5, and this distance is 12.6. 12.6, and it is both sides is how to make it a half body. From here to or this distance from this to or here it is, that is half of that one. The half is 12.6 divided by 2, and total distance is 12.6. Okay, to finish the sketch, go to the extrude, that is cut operation, and distance is all. Let's go to, so this is our final object. So next I will change it is a material. The property is made of it is a mild steel. Apply, close. Thank you for watching. In next tutorial we are going to discuss how to make it the plate, nut and screw. Thank you.